Hey guys, it's Fernando, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your hands properly. So the first thing you want to do is get some warm water and rinse your hands. And then you want to get soap, obviously. It's better to get antibacterial soap. And you want to make sure you scrub the inside and the outside of your hands, as well as the inside and in between your fingers. And also I learned a trick to get your fingernails clean. So you just scratch the inside of your palms like this. And make sure you lather for at least 20 seconds. And after that, you rinse with warm water. Make sure to get off all the soap. And then you dry your hands. And that's it. Hope everyone is staying safe and doing well. See ya.
Yeah, Spider-Man and